Today we'll be doing the Never Have I Ever challenge, and today I'm back with Ramoy. Y'all requested to see him again, so I'm back with him. And we're doing the lime edition, real lime, no fake something on here, real lime. So, if we have done the thing that is on the list, we are going to suck out the lime.
Alright. Competition based on if we do the thing where the question asks, we are going to drink the lime juice or suck out the lime juice thing. Yeah.
So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yeah.
Never have I ever faked sick from work or school.
I have.
The one I know so man.
Yeah, look
You want
you Gosh. Well, people. The one I rough.
Your teeth an edge.
Not yet.
Never have I ever cried in public.
I have. Yeah. I've got changing question in.
The one you're sour. Wow.
Man, a good thing you see it sour.
I want I give a bubble name sour.
Yes, sour. Remember I treat the color sweet. I just saved my life, you know. Get used to it.
You're not so bad, man.
No, it's not so bad.
Never have I ever cheated on a test.
Oh gosh, man, who not do that?
And then I want to cut the man.
What?
You know so cut you something good, you know?
I mean,
Never have I ever smoked.
I have.
No,
we
sir.
have.
No, I have not on the panty, sir.
Yeah.
People, the struggle is real. Never have I ever gone skinny dipping.
Come on, man. No. Have not the dip on the paper.
Look like them there, but no, stop my head. Me have to go take this off of my head.
Yeah. I like that.
Read some of my question, them man. That's what you did.
Never have I ever blame a fart on a pet. Tina dog poop and I poop Tina. And I poop.
Pressure raise.
No, I have people, come like, she not
Give me
put
one
no
cup,
have
liquor,
not
man.
on the paper. No, make it on, cause some are all of them. No, some look not some big. Why? Come on, man. No, sir. Wait there, man.
Never have I ever fell asleep in public.
Never have I fell asleep in public. Have not. I'm not eating 19, I'm not sleep in public.
I sleep in a taxi.
Here's a public taxi. Public. So, alright. Never have I defecate in public. Toilet. Can you lift up toilet after this, you know?
Ooh.
And I'm gonna do this something.
Yes, I made that hot me.
Yeah.
You shit in a public?
No. Oh
Finally,
God, no.
no, not in there.
Never have I. Maybe I have got drunk.
Sucky.
No, son.
Me get up on the one.
You never get drunk?
Me never get drunk.
You're
Me
too
get
light.
tipsy. Me never get drunk.
Get to it.
My head one cool.
Man. Next.
You know, if you open up the paper.
Never have.
We're
Never-
halfway through the video.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, share, comment. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe, people, and likes.
Ooh, in my head.
You understand? Yeah.
Make this go viral. Please.
No, sir. You know why she chose lime? Lime people, because she have some rum shots
Because you
or
can't
something.
drink.
That,
You know, remember, so we can't drink.
she know star, bonfire upon him, peel liner. Sure.
I hope you read me, are you?
Never have I ever pee in a pool. My God.
Sorry to everyone.
All you drink up a pee water.
Better that shit.
Take it as one can, then if it jump in, just like,
Who?
no, sir, ready. You're ready.
Never have I ever read a partner's text message.
But I play a game when the text come in. Excuse. Good excuse.
Oh, nothing with here. Take one little one, big one.
No. One day I feel, man. One day I feel. You know? Cut and clear.
You must not know.
Cut and clear. All crosses. Cut and clear.
Never
My
have I
God.
ever been hospitalized. We get to
No.
one. It's still so man.
Wait there.
Never have I.
Why am I hot? Never have I.
Like,
Never have I ever been someone alibi.
Excuse me.
So, yeah, look at that. Oh boy. I'm gonna let that part there. Yeah.
Never have I ever thought a friend's baby was ugly.
Don't do that.
That's rude.
Don't do that, people.
That is rude.
So rude. Don't do that. And like,
Two more questions
Me not tell lie.
left.
Me not tell lie. People, we don't tell lie. I go talk when I go suck. Don't. Yeah. Never have I lied about my age. As me I say, me not tell lie. Me just talk when I go suck.
Suck your lime.
Oh God, man. When I coffee water.
No water.
What you mean? Water.
No water.
Come
No
on,
water.
water, man.
No water. The game soon done.
Never have I
final question.
Yeah. Oh, the last question is, I'm a good man. Man can't tough it out. You understand? Never have I ever have chicken pox. Never have I ever have chicken pox.
You did have chicken pox, you told lie.
Me never have chicken pox. Me did have
Well,
what
make
is
it
this
happen.
name? You wanna make you walk like an old man. Like What name?
Chickpea.
Yeah, me did a chick V. Yeah, so I end our video. Yeah. Anika told me you guys requesting to see me more often. I'll try to be available. Yeah, I'll try to
You're
make
better
myself
available.
available
You're better
to
available.
do video with her. Yeah. Thanks for the support who support her already. You understand? Yeah. Thanks to who support her already. Just keep the thing going. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. As you know, it's already.
Thanks to everybody that
Yeah.
subscribed already. I'm on the road to 200. Yeah, your girl is going.
Is it? Can I get some water now? Alright, so.
She's a
Thanks again, guys. Let's tell them goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.